Hello everyone, I am Supriya and today I am going to present my AI chatbot project that I built using anti-gravity. This project is a chatbot application that takes user queries, processes them using the Gemini API and generates intelligent responses through a simple and user-friendly web interface. Now let me explain the project structure and then I will demonstrate how it works. Here is the project structure. The project consists of two main parts, which is front end and back end. And in front end, uh, which contains user interface like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And in backend, we can see it is developed by Python. Apart from this, I have also used the requirements.txt file, which is used to manage the project dependencies, and next.env file. This is used for securely to store the API key. And next, the README file. Uh, this is for project documentation. And next, this is the main backend file named as app.py. Here is the Flask application is initialized and the API routes are created. Whenever the user sends a message, that backend receives the request, validates the input, creates or retrieves a session ID, and then communicates with Gemini API. If the API key is unavailable, the application automatically switches to a mock response, ensuring the chatbot still works for testing purposes. Finally, the generated response is sent back to the front end. And next, coming to front end part, in front end, the index.html defines the chatbot interface, and next, style.css is responsible for design, layout, and overall appearance. And next, coming to app.js, it handles user interactions, it captures the user's message, sends it to the backend through an API request, and displays the chatbot response dynamically on the web page. And now let's see the project in action. So this is the chatbot interface. So I'll enter a sample question. So here is the response. As you can see, once I send the message and the request is processed by the backend, forwarded to Gemini API, and the chatbot generates a relevant response which is displayed instantly on the interface. The conversation continues similarly for every new query. To conclude this project, demonstrate that integration of front-end interface with a Python and the Gemini API is built an AI-powered chatbot. Working on this project helped me to understand API integration, front-end back-end communication, and chat development using anti-gravity. Thank you for watching.